Hey everyone, I'm JT and I'm going to be taking you through a full body power Pilates class using a medium resistance band and 3-pound weights. Option to go lighter or heavier with both, option to not use the band if you want. Let's go ahead, get started. On the middle of the mat, we're going to take the legs, thread the legs all the way through. The band is going to sit over the knees. We'll start laying all the way down onto our backs and start with some core. All right, let's take the hands out to the side. Just drop the knees left to right, twisting through the midsection. Left to right. Good. Windshield wiper those knees. Let's go one more each side. Good. Bring the knees back through center. Feet will stay down on the ground. Hands behind the head. Let's go ahead, take the back, imprint it into the floor. Take a breath, inhale. Exhale, lift up into your curl, hold. Pull the belly down, sink that belly button down to spine. Open up the elbows, keep the chin off the chest, think chest up to the sky, get all the way up to the tips of the shoulder blades. Let's go into this flow. We inhale, lower, exhale, lift. Inhale, lower, exhale, lift the head, chest, shoulders. Let's go for 8. Exhaling out through the mouth. 6 more. 6. Make sure those knees are underneath the hips, the feet underneath the knees. 4 more. Exhale, lift 3. And 2. Let's hold your curl. 1. Open the knees, close the knees, lower down. Adding that layer. We lift. Open, close, lower. Exhale, lift, open, close, lower. As we go into this curl, make sure to lock that belly down. And then as the knees go out and in, resist against that band. Try not to buckle the knees into center. Chest to the sky, chin is off the chest. Exhale, lift. 5, 4, breathe. Exhale, lift. 2. Let's lift and hold here. 1, open the knees, close the knees. Open, close. We're all the way to the tips of the shoulder blades. Breathe, open, close. We have 8. Exhale. 7, 6. Lift up a little higher. 5. Keep that chin off the chest. 4, 3, and 2. Hold the knees out. 1, pulse the chest out to the knees. 10, lift. 9, keep the elbows wide. 8. Exhale, 7, breathe. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, lower down on 1. Woo, already feeling that in my core. Let's go ahead, connect the knees together. Knees, ankle, thighs all touching. You're in that tabletop position, the low back on the mat. Exhale, lift up into your curl. Close out the elbows. As you lower the head, chest, shoulders, you lower the legs away from you, keeping the shape. You tap the floor. Exhale, lift back up into your curl. Head and legs move away from the center. Exhale, everything comes up into the center. And then as you come into that curl, close out the elbows. And as the legs move away, try to keep that low back on the mat. If you feel it starting to pop off, lessen the range of the legs. Breathe. Exhale, lift. Option to do single leg toe taps if it's too much load on the back. Let's go for 5. Exhale, lift. 4, 3, 2. Let's hold it up here on 1. Lift the legs, close the elbows, open the elbows. We close and pulse in and open. Exhale and open. Let's go. 8, 7, 6. Keep that curl. 5, 4. Open and close the elbows. 3, and 2. Hold the elbows open on 1. Hands will go down by the side. Stretch the legs high, 45. Pump the arms. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Legs are long. Lower back's on that mat. Keep the chin off the chest. Pull the belly down. Breathe. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Out through the mouth. 5 more. Inhale. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Keep the knees bent. If it's too much load, keep the arms pumping. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. 3 more sets. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. 2 more sets. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Last set. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold it here. Pulse the chest up to the legs for 10. Pulse it up, 9. Bend the knees if you need to. 7 more. Exhale, 6 and 5 for 4, 3, 2. Lower down, 1. Knees to chest. Oh my gosh. Good job. Let's place the feet onto the floor. Right hand will go to T on the floor. Left hand will go behind the head. Lift the right leg up to table, twist up and over to it, so that left armpit over to the right knee. Hinge from the hip, tap the toe down, lower the head. Exhale, lift and twist. Inhale, lower, tap. Keep the elbow wide. And tap. Let's go. 8. Exhale, lift. 7. Crossing it out. Let's go. 6. Breathe. 5, keeping that neck long, traversing up and over. Let's go for 4. Exhale, 3, pull that belly down. And 2, let's lift and hold our twist on 1. Let's stretch the right leg up to the sky. We'll lower that down to the floor. Lift the leg up. Lower the leg. Lift the leg. Option to get both the hands behind the head. Breathe. Exhale. We have 6. And lift. For 5, holding that twist, open the elbow. 4. Breathe. 3. 2. Let's hold the leg up on 1. Left hand past the right foot. Pulse it out. 10. Reach for the toes. 9. Exhale. 8. 7. Breathe. 6. 5. 4. 3, 2, and 1. Lower the head down, lower the foot down. We switch it out. Left arm goes long to T. Left leg lifts up to table. Cross up and over to that knee. Lower, tap the toe down, lower the head. Exhale, lift and twist right armpit to left knee. And lower. We have 8. And lower. Think armpit to knee. Energetically reach. Keep that elbow open. 6 more. 6. Exhale. 5. Hinge from the hip. Don't change the shape of the leg. 4. Exhale. 3. And 2. Let's lift and hold your twist. 1. Stretch the left leg. We lower down to the floor and lift. Hold the twist. Lower. Exhale. Lift. Option to get that left hand behind the head. Keep the elbows wide. Exhale, lift. 6 more. 5 more. And lift. 4. Hold that twist. 3. Exhale, lift. 2. Hold the leg up on 1. Reach the right hand past the left foot. Pulse it out. Let's go. 10. Reach for the foot. Up to the sky. Exhale. 8. 7. For 6. And 5. 4. 3, 2, lower down on 1. Head go down, arms go down, both legs go up. Breathe. Let's go ahead, lower the legs down to the floor. Keep that low back down, keep the belly in. Lift the legs. Lower the legs, lengthen the mat. Exhale, lift the legs. Try not to use any momentum. If it's too much with the leg stretch, toe taps down to the floor. Or if you want the challenge, you can lower one leg and then the other leg, and then both legs to try it out. If not, both legs are lowering, both legs are lifting. Keep that belly button pulled down to spine. Exhale, lift nice and slow. Inhale. Exhale, lift. 6 more, keeping the head down. Exhale, lift. Breathe. 5, Use the low abs. 4. Exhale. 3. 2. Almost there. Let's finish this next one out. Exhale, lift. Hands behind the head. Lift up into your curl. Lower the legs away. Hold. Hands behind the head or overhead. Hold for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Knees to chest. 1. Stir the knees in one direction. Good job. Breathe. And then we'll switch out the direction. Nice. Grab behind your legs. Rock and roll yourselves up to seated. And then we're going to thread the legs through. Come up to standing and take the weights with us. Coming up onto the mat, let the band go down to your ankles. All right, separate the feet wider than the hips. The heels will go in, the toes slightly out. Let's keep the hands at heart center with the weights. Go ahead, send the booty back, find your squat. Get the weight into the heels. Keep the knees turning out over toes. Pulse up an inch, down an inch. Up an inch, down. Keep the body moving. Pressing through the heels, getting the weight into the heels if you need to lift the toes up off the floor. Check where your weight is. Pulsing up, keep the chest open, down. Lower and lift. Breathe, let's go. 8, 7, 6, 5. Exhale, 4, and 3. For 2, hold it down here. 1. Pivot from the heel. We bring the feet, toes forward, toes out, stand and squeeze. Lower down, we pulse. Toes forward, toes out, and lift. Good. 2 pulses. 2, 1, and lift. Squeeze the glutes. Tuck that tailbone. Pulse, pulse, lift. Toes parallel, toes out, and lift. 6 more. Let's go. 6. Breathe. 5. And lift. 4 more. 4. 3. 2 more. 2. Pulse. Pulse. Lift. Last one. Good. Lift. Let's go ahead. Hold it down into your squat. Hold. Get the booty back. Keep the chest open. Hold. 8, 7. Open the knees. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Parallel the toes forward. We stand, hands down, rib cage down. Tuck the tailbone. Squeeze the glutes. Lift the heels. Lift the arms. Lower the heels. Lower the arms. We lift. Lower. Lift. Resist against the floor. Let's go. 10. Keep those arms long. 9. Keep the shoulders down. 8. Squeeze through the glutes. 7. Breathe. 6. Keeping the neck long, keeping the crown of the head to the sky. 5. Exhale. 4. And 3. For 2. Let's hold it up on 1. Hold it here. Palms are down or up. Lower and lift the heels. 10, 9, 8. Resist against the floor. Let's go. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Let's lift the heels. Hold 1. Flip the palms up. Pulse the arms. 10. Up and down. 9, 8. Find your balance. 7. Exhale. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Find your balance. 1. Lower the heels. Bend the elbows. Palms face forward. We press and bend. Press and bend. 8 more. Exhale. Lower. Stop at 90. 8, 7, 6. Breathe. 5. Lower that rib cage. 4. Squeeze the glutes. 3 and 2. Let's go ahead, lower down on 1. Arms out to the side, palms up. Circle the arms forward. 10, 9, 8, breathe. 7, exhale. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, reverse on. 1, other way for 10, breathe. 9, 8, breathe. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, lower down on 1. Roll the shoulders down and back. Head right to left. Hands to heart center. Keep the toes forward. We bend into both the legs. Put your weight onto one leg. Stretch the opposite to the side. Find that squat and switch. Resist against that band. Lift. Getting all that weight onto the opposite leg. Lowering that leg with resistance. Trying to fight against the band. Can we stretch that band even more? Stand up onto that standing leg more. Let's go. 8, 7, breathe. 6, make sure those knees are tracking over toes. 5, keeping that stretch on the band. 4, 3, 2, let's hold it over to one leg on 1. We lower and lift the leg, hands to heart center. Stretch that band. 8, slight bend on that standing leg. 7, exhale. 6, and 5, for 4, and 3, for 2. Finish that out on 1. Find your squat. Switch it out, up and over. Lower and lift the opposite leg. 10, 9, exhale. 8, resist. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, lower down on 1. Good job. Shake it out, hips right to left. Let's go ahead. Come with the left foot forward, the right foot back. The heel will be lifted, both hips squared off to the front. Get all the way into the front leg. Pitch the booty up. Open up the chest. Keep the neck long. The arms are going for a ride. We bend through both the legs and stretch. Bend. Keep the body moving. Stretch. Good. As we bend into this next flow here, make sure the body's pitched over the front leg. Bending and stretching. Keep the arms hanging. Good. Keep that neck long. 6 more. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Let's hold it down here. 1, palms face in. We open the arms, close. Lift the arms out to the side, close. 8, squeeze through the shoulder blades. 7, slight bend in the elbows. 6, 5, breathe. 4, and 3, for 2. Hold hands to heart center on 1, 2 pulses down. Transfer the weight to the front leg, lift the back leg, lower. 2 pulses down, transfer, lift. We have 8, and lift. For 7, and 6, double pulse that down, lift. 5, 4, burning out that left glute, let's go. 3, 2, resist against that band. Last one, weight forward, lower and lift the right. 10, 9, 8, 7, breathe. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, last one. Oh my gosh. Woo! Ooh, booty is burning. That's what we want. Check it out. Readjust your band. Band stays at the ankles. Let's go into an arm set before we go to the other side. Feet underneath the hips, standing up tall, palms face back. We lift the arms in front, out to the side, lower. Lift, rotate out and down. 8, 7, close down that rib cage as arms go up. 6, keep the shoulders down. 5, exhale. 4, and 3, for 2, Reverse on one. Other way, out to the side first. Out, in and down. Out, in and down. We have 8. Breathe. 7. Exhale, 6. 5, breathe. Find some peace. 4, standing up tall. 3, and 2. Last one, finish it out. Let's go ahead. Bend the elbows, palms face up, rotate the hands out. We serve the arms out and in, out, in. Stop at shoulders and in. 8 more. 8, 7, breathe. 6, 5, woo. 4, almost there. 3, 2, hold the arms out. 1, just hold for 10. Breathe. 9, arms are shaking, I know. 8, exhale. 7, close your eyes if you need to. 6, and 5, for 4, 3, 2, lower down on 1. Roll the shoulders down and back, head right to left. Good job, we have the other side. All right, right foot forward, left foot back. Get the heel off the floor, spin both hips forward to face the front of the mat, and then get all the way into that right leg. Pitch the booty up, pull the belly back, open up the chest, let the arms hang. Bend through both the legs, exhale, stretch. Bend, stretch. We are almost there. We have this side. We're gonna burn out that side glute. Breathe. Keep the body moving. Let's go. 6, 5, 4. Spin that left hip down. 3, and 2. Let's hold it down here. 1, bend the elbows, stretch the arms behind you, and bend. Stretch and bend. 10 more. 10, tricep kickback, squeeze through the back of the arm. 9, bend just at the elbow. 8, and 7, big exhale. 6, and 5, keep the chest open, shoulders squeeze. 4, and 3, for 2, finish that out. 1, hands to heart, center, double pulse down. Down, transfer the weight forward, lift the back leg. Pulse, pulse, transfer, lift. Let's go. 8, and lift. For 7, breathe. 6 more. Then we have those lower and lifts of the legs. 5, exhale, lift. 4 more. 4, and lift. 3 more. 3, breathe. And 2. Let's transfer the weight. Lift and lower that left leg. 10, exhale, lift. 9, resist against the band. 8, leg is shaking. 7, and 6, for 5, and 4, for 3, and 2. Last one. Good job. Go ahead, shake it off. Pop those weights down to the floor. Take the band, bring it all the way back above the knees, and we're going to finish this out. Step to the back edge of the mat, feet underneath the hips, float the hands overhead. Inhale. Finishing this out strong. Exhale, dive the arms forward, around the spine, hands to the mat. Walk the hands forward into your plank. Stay here or down on the knees. Tap it out. Left hand to right shoulder, right hand to left. We tap, 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 tap. Let's go. 8, keep the neck long. 7, breathe. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower the knees down. Take your left hand out to the corner of the mat. Bend through both the arms. Stretch. Walk the left hand in. Walk the right hand out. Bend. Stretch. Coming into these push-ups. Get those elbows out. Squeeze the glutes. Keep that spine long. If you need to go onto all fours, do it from there. If you need to go halfway, go halfway. We're finishing this out strong, everyone, because I know we can. Let's push. Get that endurance, get that stamina up. Let's go 2 more each side. 1 more each side. And back to center. When you're done, place the forearms down. Tuck the toes, lift the knees, hold. Breathe. Inhale through the nose. Big exhale through the mouth, hold. 8, press that mat away, tuck the tailbone, belly back. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, left knee to left elbow, up on 1. Switch it out. Good. Spider crunch it out. Bring the knee up and up. Let's go. 6. Press that mat away. 5. Breathe. 4, 3, 2. Let's hold our plank on 1. Just hold for 10. Squeeze the glutes. Neck is long. Press that mat away for 8. Tighten up the core for 7. Exhale for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Lower the knees down. 1. Close it out. Child's pose. You made it. Woo! Good job, everyone. Inhale through the nose. Big exhale out through the mouth. Another inhale through the nose. Another big exhale out through the mouth. Restack the spine. Swing the legs around. We're just going to go ahead, take that band off, and then come into the middle of the mat. You can either sit cross-sit or on the knees. Take one hand up and over across the chest. Shoulder down. Breathe, inhale. Big exhale. Same arm behind the head. Elbow down, head into the arm. Open up to the front. Another big breath, inhale. Big exhale. Pull the elbow down. Get that side body stretch. Let's go ahead, come back to center, take that same hand, come up and over to the other side, pop the hips off the heels, get that side body stretch overhead. Twist the chest up to the sky, inhale. Exhale, twist, gaze underneath that armpit a little bit more. Go ahead, scrape the shoulders down to the floor, reach past the mat, plug the hand down into the floor, keep pressing the hips down to the floor. Inhale through the nose. Big exhale out through the mouth. Come back to center. Come up. Switch it out. Other hand across the chest, shoulder down. Breathe, inhale. On your exhale, pull it into the body. Release the hand, same arm behind the head. Press the head into arm. Breathe, inhale. Exhale. Pull the elbow down. And then take that same arm, reach it up and over to the opposite side. Pull the hips off the feet. Reach the arm overhead, twist the chest up to the sky. Even the gaze can go up. Inhale. Big exhale out through the mouth. Let's go ahead. Spin the shoulders down to the floor. Hand reaches past. Press the hand into the floor. Keep pulling the hips off the feet down. Let the head hang. Inhale. You should feel that all through that side body, underneath the armpit. Inhale through the nose. Exhale out through the mouth. Swing the body through center. Round all the way up. Roll the shoulders down and back for 3. Up to the ears, down and back for 2. And 1. Good job, everyone. I am so proud of you. I will see you on the mat soon.